Hi, this is Mark Carrington from markcarrington.com. This is my review video on the new product from Kevin Fadi called the $1 Million Warrior. It is all about how to make profits on a Warrior Plus platform. Starting with a segment that's in the sales page. The purpose of $1 Million Warrior is to give your customers a complete A to Z online business blueprint that shows you how to extract good profits using the Warrior Plus platform. That's good profits as an affiliate and good profits as a product vendor. Now, Kevin gave me review access to the product because I'm a long-time customer of his, and I'm just going to go through quickly what is in here. There are 4 sections. This first section, called Warrior Masters, is basically an introduction and a walkthrough of what is in the Warrior Plus platform. Now, I've been a member of Warrior Plus for over 10 years, and there are a bunch of things that he covered in here that I'd never even looked at. Not because I didn't know they were there, it's just because I hadn't gone looking for them. But he shows you how to set up your merchant account so that you can actually get paid. He shows you how to set up and what's important in setting up your profile information, particularly to improve your chances of getting approved as an affiliate by the other vendors. The second section goes a little bit further on there. It talks about the journey as an affiliate. And for Kevin, in his $1 million, and he does share the $1 million numbers, is about 10% of his sales have come as an affiliate promoting other people's products. So he goes through the basic introductions. He talks about how to find offers to promote. And there are 2 key dimensions to that. One is how to find new offers that are coming up. And so to participate in the product launches like $1 Million Warrior as a launch to join, and also to find good, solid, evergreen products from reliable vendors. He talks about how to request approval and also how to reach out to vendors. And this profile discussion is important for requesting approval. And then he goes into how to create a product review. So this is a sample. One of the models for product reviews is what I'm applying here, is a review video ranked on YouTube and then popped into my blog post, which will happen once I've completed this review. Talks about running a profitable affiliate email campaign. This was new stuff for me. The way he does things was a little different to what I've seen other people provide in the swipes that they give for their launches. And what is noticeable is that he has applied that approach in the swipes he's put together for this launch. And then he's talked about how to maximize your traffic using things like social media and your blog posts and stuff like that. The next important section, so section number 3, is all about product creation, about how to use Warrior Plus as a platform to sell your products. And he goes through from cradle to grave as to how to find ideas. So how to use the platform to identify areas in which it makes sense to create products. And then he talks about how to price products, how to design and choose upsells, and what sort of commission and price structures to use to attract affiliates. And then he goes through the process of planning a launch. And my idea for 2023 is to launch my own products. And he's given me a good template to go back to as to how to go about doing that. This is not a do it in a week process. It's a 4 or 5 or 6 week program of things that you've got to get right. And then he goes about how to create your product launch, and then how to win on the deal of the day, and then how to scale up your business. And then the last section is about Warrior partnerships, and this is really the world of the super affiliates, is how to work in partnership with other vendors to build out your business or to scale up your business. The time I got review, these videos were not yet complete, so I can't really say what's in there, other than I do know that big super affiliates like John Thornhill use this very extensively. So that's the overview of what is in the program. Let's talk about what is in the funnel. The basic product, the $1 Million Warrior, is starting at $16.95. It's on a dime sale and it'll cap out at $27. There is a bump, which is a new feature in Warrior Plus, which he does talk about in the training. The bump is free traffic shotgun, and I will show you an example of free traffic shotgun. What you will find at the bottom of the training is a special offer on some of Kevin's product. This is an example of how he uses his existing platforms to promote his other products, but he also, you will see these images popping up all over social media. So that is what the bump is about, is free traffic shotgun. Is I have purchased it and I've started to deploy. The first one-time offer, or the first upsell, is Kevin Fahey's All Access Pass, which he launched 3 or 4 weeks ago. It is basically access to all of his products that he's created over the last period of time, a long period of time. There are 3 memberships included in there, and for that amazing price of $697. If you have got time to absorb that amount of material, and if you've got a bit of a blank canvas on what you know, because everything you'll need to know is in there. OTO number 2 is Kevin's list building masterclass. Success in Warrior Plus, especially as an affiliate marketer, is going to come about in your email success. So list building masterclass is how to build a list and how to get results from your emails, is what OTO number 2 is. The third upsell is a product called Free Affiliate Funnel, which is that one that was advertised on his page. Is basically what he does, he gives you access to 10 of his funnels, and you can deploy them as your own funnels. There's some interplay between the amount of commission you get and the time periods for which you earn those commissions on the third upsell. And then the last upsell is Kevin is a master at creating checklists, internet marketing checklists. There are over 60 of them. You can get a trial membership for $3 and then $17.95 a month. The cool thing about the way this works is that when you start the trial this early in 2023, you get access to all of the things that are released in 2022, plus the ones that come up during 2023. And then there are always opportunities as you go along the journey to buy back into the previous versions. Let's talk a little bit about testimonials. The first testimonial is for Barry Livingston. He says, in my opinion, $1 Million Warrior should be priced at $997. You will also find a review video similar to the one that I'm creating on Barry's YouTube page. This one here from Connie, go behind the scenes of a 7-figure marketing expert, and he provides clear step-by-step modules packed with valuable insights, just what my thoughts were. One from Mike Holthazen. After going through the training, I can see many of the mistakes I've made over the years and now finally have a clear path to making this work. I can certainly agree with that. And here is my my review, because I got review access. I did promise to make a testimonial. If there is any person who can teach you about succeeding on Warrior Plus, pick someone who has actually succeeded. And whether you are a newbie or an old hand, there is stuff to learn in the detail as he walks through his repeatable process for making this product, how to find affiliates, and for launching the products. And that's pretty much where I stand. The last thing we want to talk about is bonuses. Success in Warrior Plus is going to be all about understanding funnels, writing good copy, and successful and solid email marketing. So my bonuses are entirely designed to help with that. So if I'll just go whiz through them. So the first is finding the right words to write about, and I've collected a series of reports from a range of different copywriters so that you can work out your own style of copywriting from the front line. The list building is going to be an important part of it, so we'll start with a report that gets your strategy for list building right. The third bonus, it's called Email Marketing Power. This is actually a Kevin Fahey product. This is one of his premium PLR products which I purchased, so that because I have now access to his PLR, I can actually provide it as a bonus. And this, it just goes to the next level as to how to actually implement successfully your email services. I've also included some email checklists from Kevin's IM checklists. I've picked 4 in particular: quick start for email marketing, improving deliverability, improving your overall email marketing, and then the list building methods. The next one is the other important dimension of success in Warrior Plus as a product creator is understand sales funnels. So I have a report called Sales Funnel Authority, which gets your strategic approach to sales funnels down to a T. The important part also for operating as an affiliate is you need to find products to give away as bonuses. So I've included a membership for Surefire Wealth, Silver membership, which is a library of PLR material which you can give away as bonus. It also includes master resale rights, so there are products in there that you can actually sell as your own products when you go down the product creator journey. And then the last thing is, because email marketing is important, I've included a free silver membership of the Email eMarketers Club, which is to help you, it's just give you a different view on email marketing from a different set of successful email marketers. So, and then the summary then is that there is $900 worth of bonuses: copywriting from the front line, list building, email marketing power, email checklists, sales funnel authority, a silver membership of Surefire Wealth to get access to PLR products to give away as bonuses or to sell as your own products, and a membership of the eMarketers Club. I appreciate your time and attention, and I wish you every success in your Warrior Plus journey.